Ready to simplify your payments? Adding your TD card to Apple Wallet is quick and easy, giving you the freedom to pay with just your iPhone or Apple Watch. Let's walk through it together. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the one with the icon that looks like a couple of stacked cards. Once you're in, look for the plus sign in the upper right corner and tap it. This will bring up the option to add different types of cards. Select debit or credit card. Your phone may ask you to use your phone's camera to capture your card details. Hold your TD card up to the camera, making sure all four corners are visible in the frame. The camera will automatically read the card number and expiry date. If for any reason the camera doesn't work well, you can always choose to enter card details manually. After the details are captured or entered, you might need to input the 3-digit security code from the back of your TD card. Then tap Next. Now it's time to agree to the terms and conditions. Take a quick look, and if you're comfortable, tap Agree. The final step is verification. TD will need to confirm it's really you adding the card. You'll typically be given a few options for verification, such as receiving a one-time passcode via text message to the phone number associated with your TD account or using the TD app. Select the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to complete the verification. Once verified, your TD card is officially added to your Apple Wallet. You'll see a confirmation screen. Now you can tap and pay securely wherever Apple Pay is accepted. Enjoy the convenience of leaving your physical wallet behind. Thanks for watching.